Good day, everyone. Villasis, Pangasinan, a first-class municipality, is known as the fruit and vegetable basket of Pangasinan due to its rich agricultural production. The town is also famous for tupig, a traditional rice cake that symbolizes its culture, hospitality, and culinary heritage, contributing to its tourism identity. The official One Town One product we are featuring is tupig. Tupig is a traditional Filipino delicacy made from glutinous rice flour, grated coconut, coconut milk, sugar, and sometimes young coconut strips.
Main features. Tupig is a uniquely wrapped fresh banana leaves and grilled over hot charcoal, giving it a distinct smoky aroma, a soft and chewy texture with a natural sweet coconut flavor, all while preserving the traditional recipe that has been passed through generations. Benefits to consumer and tourists. Tupig is an affordable yet flavorful local delicacy that makes an excellent pasalubong because it is easy to carry and share. Prepared using locally sourced ingredients, it supports the livelihood of local farmers while allowing visitors to experience the authentic flavors and rich culinary heritage of Pangasinan.
Cultural and economic importance. Tupig is an affordable and delicious delicacy that is easy to bring home as a souvenir or pasalubong. Made from locally sourced ingredients, it supports local farmers while giving visitors an authentic taste of Pangasinan's rich culinary heritage.
Now to the quality product and consistencies. Local producers maintain consistent recipes, carefully ingredient selection, and proper grading to ensure every tupig delivers the same delicious taste and texture. The customer satisfaction, every customer appreciates tupig for its authentic flavor, freshness, and affordability, and cultural value. Positive customer experience encourage repeat purchase and word of mouth promotion.
Hygiene and safety standards. Responsible producers follow proper food handling procedures by using clean preparation areas, fresh ingredients, sanitary packaging, and safe storage practices to maintain food quality and consumer safety.
For the sustainable practices, most ingredients are local grown, reducing transportation costs and supporting local agriculture. Banana leaves serve as a biodegradable packaging, making the product environmentally friendly while preserving its traditional identity.
Service excellence. Many tupig vendors are known for their warm hospitality and friendly customer service. They willingly explain the product history and preparation, creating a more meaningful experience for tourists and encouraging them to recommend Villasis to others.
In conclusion, Villasis Tupig perfectly represent the municipality's rich culture, culinary tradition, and entrepreneurial spirit through the OTOP program and the application of total quality management principles. This simple rice delicacy continues to satisfy customers while supporting local livelihoods and preserving Pangasinan cultural heritage. Thank you.